tell, it got dark fast. We're still in Kansas City. We're in North Kansas City. So we're rolling with a first gen RX7 and an MR2. Here's the crew. Still in one piece. Still in one piece.
Yep. So far, so good.
We're off to a good start. Everybody's fueled up. The only thing that I'm working on right now, while we're stopped, everything's all good, except for one parking light. It always works. It has a really cool startup feature too. I probably should just leave it broke because I'm afraid if I fix that, that it's going to turn into something else, right?
Pretty good. Ready to go?
We'll see how the crew's doing. GoPro stuff out of the way and the horse head. All right, now we're into the good stuff.
I don't know if it's the gas or the heat or those pumps and bangs, or when it shuts off. That's
It's gonna be a while before I remember it does that. It got me again a little bit.
It scared me because it's so like, sometimes it'll be instant, sometimes it'll be like, I'm already out of my car doing something, and then it'll pop.
They're right. Yeah, it had that delay. It had a delay long enough that I was like, my
Okay,
brain was like,
yeah,
okay, we're safe here.
Yeah.
And also, the grenade goes off. Oh my God, that's funny. All right, so it looked like we've used 6 gallons since South Kansas City. Cheers. Oh, you got him? Dang, that's too
I thought about saying something.
Oh, he didn't even say anything. He just rolled out.
When I shut the car off and it popped, you like, you jumped out of the chute.
I didn't even know a car was there. That's how distracted I was. Halfway point. Everything's going crazy smooth. South Kansas City to here. Used 6 gallons of gas. I'll have to do some figuring to figure out my miles per gallon. Probably this downforce. Hey, time to hit the road.
Yeah, it should have been in third when I was trying to finish it out fourth.
After a while, that screen is really bright. I like the screen. I don't regret it at all. But at night, it dims with the interior lights. But luckily, I have a horse head. So the horse head mask, it's what I'm using to block the light. After stopping at Mountain City for gas, and I get this AirTag found moving with you notification. The owner can look up its location. I have no idea what's going on with that. I don't own an AirTag. So AirTag detected near you. I don't know, maybe that's one of the guys in the group. Welcome to Iowa. That's where the I29 Dragway is, where the event's being held. But the hotel I'm staying in the next 2 nights is in Nebraska. Bellevue, Nebraska. So it's just south of Omaha. Let's keep cruising. Come on, Horsehead, where are you? Yep. We're going over the Missouri River, and that's what divides Iowa and Nebraska. Nice welcoming from the bikers. Got a couple thumbs up. Chop 6. tempting in. Cars are tucked away. There's actually some nice cars in the parking lot. I don't want to wander around too much. It's midnight. Cool. Hard to see, but man, that is really nice. Good easy trip. I didn't even listen to the radio most of the time. It was all just listening to the engine. So it was a good trip. Wrong road. Not that one. Okay. Whoops. All right. It's like home sweet home for a couple nights. Pretty standard. This is good. I'll take it. I've had way worse for sure. Nice, got one king. That's cool, that's cool. Alright, let's see what we got for views. Couple Mustangs, bunch of Civics. Alright. Well, I think that's it for tonight. Tomorrow's the big show, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of rest and see you at the show.